Alright, you already understand the importance and value of natural search engine traffic to build an audience, generate leads, and increase profits for your business. But are you still struggling to get the traffic from search engines that you want? Have you ever spent hours trying to figure out topics to write about your blog or business website? Is your content really targeting the right keywords so people can actually find you? Well, now is the time to make your keyword research and content marketing efforts a true business asset. Finally, you can get the search engine traffic you need in a fraction of the time with Longtail Pro. Whether you are building an authority blog, niche websites, or an online business presence, Longtail Pro will boost your search engine marketing efforts. Save time by discovering relevant keywords and search data faster than ever before. Increase profits by focusing your content marketing efforts on keywords that actually bring in traffic. Gain confidence as Longtail Pro tells you exactly how easy or difficult a keyword is to rank for. Overall, are you ready to save time and increase the effectiveness of your online marketing efforts? Download your free trial of Longtail Pro today.
Hi there, my name is Spencer Hawes, creator of Longtail Pro, and today I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the software and show you its speed, ease of use, effectiveness, and overall why it's the best keyword research tool out there. Now, one of the unique functions that makes Longtail Pro stand apart from its competitors is the ability you have to input multiple seed keywords at once. So here in the Add Seed Keywords box, you just begin to input the seed keywords that you want to research. And as I do that, you'll notice that, of course, I can do multiple at once, which allows you to automatically search for those rather than coming back and inputting more. Then you're able to select your match type, and you can also fetch additional information. So if you want to check for whether or not the exact match .com, .net, .org, and many other extensions are available, you can do so. And you can also check for hyphenated domains. In addition, you can check for whether or not the Google title competition or Bing title competition are available. This is the all-in title metric. Then another way to begin saving you a lot of time is the ability to apply filters before you search for those keywords. So if I only want to see keywords that have 2,000 exact match searches locally and have a $1 CPC, or if I want to change that to 50 cents, or I can search for a number of words. So if I only want to see keywords that have at least 2 words in them, I would put a 2 there. Then you simply hit Generate Keywords. And what this does is it goes out and it begins pulling in those keywords, up to 800 related keywords for each of the seed keywords that you input. And as you can see, it goes out and it generates those very quickly. As you can see down here, it's already pulled in about 386 results, and now about 500, and 455 have been filtered out. So we're left right now with 43 keywords that meet the criteria that we specified of 2,000 minimum local searches, exact match searches, and have at least 50 cents CPC. And you can see that it's already moved on to our second seed keyword of the mentalist. So now the software is on our last seed keyword of worm farms, and it's already pulled in just about 2,200 keywords filtered, so 2,600 keywords total, and we're left with 85 results that meet our specific criteria. And now it's going out and checking for whether or not exact match domains are available. And in just a minute that will be done and we can see what's available. So that is done, and anything with a green check mark has the domain available. So mentalistepisodeguide.net and .org are available, along with many other domains that are available as well. And so for each keyword we get the average CPC, or cost per click, local searches, global searches, advertiser competition, and domain availability. And so we have 85 keywords that met our criteria. If we wanted to go back and edit the criteria we were looking at, we could do that. So if we wanted to narrow that down even further to keywords that only had a CPC of $1, we input that there, hit Generate Keywords, and now we only have 23 keywords that met our specific criteria. Then we can move on to the next step of actually analyzing the top 10 results in Google, and we simply click on the keyword, and that takes us over to the competitor analysis tab for our keyword here of how to become a paramedic. And you can see within just a few seconds all of the data is pulled in from page authority, page links, juice page links, and these other criteria that you can see for each of the top 10 results in Google that will help us quickly analyze whether or not this is an easy to rank for keyword. And of course, some of the things I like to look at are whether or not the exact keyword is mentioned in the title of these pages. I like to look at the page authority, the juice page links, the page rank, and the site age. And by looking at all of this criteria, this helps us determine our true competition, and so we can quickly see all of the data that we need to know whether or not we can rank for this particular keyword. Now, the final function of Longtail Pro is the rank checker. To use that, all we need to do is input our domain or URL here, and then the search term that we want to see if we're ranking for. And we can input multiple here at once. Then we just hit check rank, and that quickly goes out to Google, Yahoo, and Bing and tells us where we rank for that particular keyword, as you can see I've done here. So overall, Longtail Pro is very quick and easy to use, and it's effective. It allows you to both search for keywords and find available domains very quickly, as well as analyzing the competition overall so you can know whether you should be targeting a specific keyword or not. Now, for many people, Longtail Pro is going to be all that they need. However, some people are going to want to do some more in-depth research and truly want to know whether they can rank in the top 10 of Google very quickly. And for those people, we have Longtail Platinum. In order to get the Platinum version, if you already own Longtail Pro, you just upgrade. If you don't, you can buy the Pro and Platinum package together. So you just input your email address, and then you're able to unlock the Platinum version. And as you can see over here on the competitor analysis, we now have a completely new column called the KC column. And what this is the keyword competitiveness column. This goes out and it actually analyzes all of these results, all of these stats that you're seeing here, in addition to the very important step of seeing whether or not these top 10 results actually target the specific keyword in their title and in their domain. Now, this is a function that other keyword tools generally are not doing, so you can know whether these results are both authoritative and whether they're targeting your specific keyword. So I can see overall that this has come back with a 28. And very quickly, to give you a scale, anything, in my opinion, between a 0 and 35 is worth targeting for something like a niche site or a blog post. Once you start approaching 40, that becomes much more competitive, and certainly 50 is very, very competitive. So you're given a number between 0 and 100 for how competitive this exact result is. So how to become a paramedic is a keyword that I would target to either build a niche site on or to build a blog post on, because I believe that I could outrank that based on the keyword competitiveness. And what's great is that on the keyword results tab, you can also calculate this number very quickly. So for our keyword how to become a paramedic, this is going to come back as a 28, the same number that we had on the other screen. But we can also quickly look at some other keywords by just clicking on a few of those right here to very easily see whether or not we should go out and build a site on these, target these for other purposes, and it'll tell us how easily we can rank in Google for these particular keywords. So right here I can quickly see that EMT salary is going to be a better keyword to target than health careers or EMT training and Acadian ambulance. So that's just one feature of Longtail Platinum. You also have the ability to come in here when you find an easy keyword to save that to your favorites. And so here's a couple that I'll save to my favorites, and that compiles an entire list of all the keywords that perhaps I want to target, along with all of the data, so I can go back and write blog posts or build sites based on those keywords. Then another Platinum feature is the ability to input your own keywords here. And as it says, you can input up to 10,000 keywords at once. And the reason you might want to do this is to compile a list of keywords perhaps that you're already ranking for based on your Google Analytics, and then you can quickly see how much search volume, CPC, other data that those keywords actually have, and whether you should target those a little bit better to improve your rankings. Or if you've generated or found a large list of keywords somewhere else that you want to get the data for just those keywords, you can input that here, and Longtail Platinum will give you that data very quickly. So overall, you can see with Longtail Platinum that you're able to do so much more to both generate keywords, to find how competitive those keywords actually are, and to gain some confidence that you're targeting the right keywords. So thank you for watching this demonstration, and I hope you'll pick up your copy of Longtail Pro or Longtail Platinum today.